Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you are new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. So welcome to Shimmers and Polishes, and please do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it for notification. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this what I call the purple fever halo eye makeup look, perfect for any occasion. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. I'm going to prime my lids with Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Fair. It's a very lighter concealer because I want the colors to pop, and I'm going to blend that all well with my fingers and then set it with some translucent powder by Colourpop. For this eye makeup look, I'm going to use Morphe's 35B Color Burst palette, and I'm going to use that beautiful purple shade from the palette called Purplish. I'm going to use a medium blending brush or a bullet brush, and I'm going to place the product and blend that all well. This shade is slightly patchier to work, but place the product and then blend it all well. I'm going to create a tiny wing, and I'm going to blend that well later because I want that elongated eye look and not a rounded eye look. And I'm going to use the same shade on my inner corners as well for that halo effect. Transition shade, I'm going to use this beautiful color called Fuchsia. It's like a lilac color with pink undertones, and I'm going to blend that all well so that it looks nice and seamless. Next, I'm going to use a color called Lollipop. It's a beautiful pink shimmer shade, and I'm going to apply it in the middle of my eye like this. I'm going to use my fingers because that has maximum intensity, so I can get the maximum color payoff from that. And I'm going to blend the edges well so that it looks nice and seamless and well blended. Next, I'm going to use LA Girl's concealer in the shade medium beige to cover my under eye dark circles, and I'm going to blend that all well and set it with some translucent powder by Colourpop. Next, I'm going to use the same purple shade on my lower lash line. Same on the outer and the inner corner. I'm going to use the dark purple shade, and in between I'm going to use the shimmer shade, and I'm going to blend that all well with the lilac fuchsia color. For my upper waterline, I'm going to use Maybelline's Colossal Kohl in black, and for my lower waterline, I'm going to use Nicka K's eyeliner in royal purple. And I'm going to use a black eyeshadow, and I'll create a line as close to my lash line as possible with an angled brush so that there's a slight definition to my eyes. And next, I'm going to do my brows with Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown and fill in the sparse areas of my brows. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to use the Balm's Merry Luminizer, and I'm going to use the same as my inner corner highlight. It's a beautiful highlighter, guys. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply Isadora's 2-in-1 brush mascara. You can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to, but if you know me, I do not like falsies. And yes guys, this is the look, and this look I call it Purple Fever. Beautiful purple pink eye makeup look, perfect for any occasion. So I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram, guys. There are many more short videos on my channel, very easy eye makeup videos, so do check my channel out and give these eye makeup looks a try, and tag me at hashtag Shimmers and Polishes. I love you all, guys, and please consider subscribing to my channel. I love you all, guys. Take care. Bye bye.